Hello, good afternoon. This is just a quick video about the Irish spellings for this week. So just to recap, all consonants in Irish have two sounds, whereas their English version will be at the kind of middle of your mouth, made with the middle of your mouth. The slender consonants in Irish will all be made with the back of your mouth, and the broad ones all at the front. So for the broad ones, fill your mouth with air. For the slender ones, grimace. And that's pretty much the way to remember them. So sounds are, the letters this week are F, which in English is your bottom teeth come up to your, your bottom lip comes up to your top teeth, and you go F. In Irish, no teeth, just the lips. So broad, front of the mouth. So slender, back of the mouth, tongue goes up a bit. So it's so no teeth, just your lips. And the other letter is P. So English, P, middle of your mouth. Broad, front of your mouth. So P, P. And slender, the back of your mouth. So grimace and P, P. So P and P. Okay, so I realize I'm going through fairly quickly, but it's all covered last week. So the spellings this week. If there's orange dot, they are broad, meaning that they're beside a, o, u, o fada, a fada, o fada, or u fada. And if there's a green dot, like there, they are slender. So they are beside I, e, I fada, or e fada. Okay, so the first one is pumpa. Pump. So if you see a vowel at the end of a word, it's like the A in about. So it's kind of a lazy vowel. You kind of only half pronounce it. It's like you've given up by the end of the word. So it's pumpa. Pumpa. The next one, it's broad again. So it's faw. Faw. Oh, sorry, there's meant to be a fada there. So the next one is faw, faw. Next one is fo, fo. The next one is, these are all broad, so all front of the mouth. Next one is foam, foam. And the next one is slender, so grimace, back of the teeth, or back of the mouth. Thief, thief, thief. Okay, I'll go through the meanings at the end. So the top one up here, it's broad, so puff the mouth out. Paw, paw. Next one, slender, grimace. Pay, pay. The next one, slender again. Pebby, pebby. The one under that is slender again. Peeb, peeb. And the last one is broad, so it's puma, puma, puma. Okay, so I'll quickly say what the words are, what they mean. They're all real words this time. So, pumpa is pump. Faw is another spelling for why, for cane faw, or reason. Fo is it's under or sub. So like underwear would be fóbriste. Underpants would be fóbriste. Foom is fui misha, so under me. Thief is a fife. Paw, pay, pay, anybody. Pebby, another word for anybody. Peeb, pipe. Puma, puma is a puma. Okay, that's me done. Bye bye.